for weeks and then one injuries keep you stuck in bed for a weeks or even months. We don't want that. So today we're going to share our top tips to keep you safe and strong while working out. Because remember, smart workout is a safe workout.
Tip 1. Warm up before and cool down after exercise. Warm up prepare your muscles and joints, while cool down helps your body recover.
Tip 2. Use proper form. Form first, weight later. Don't rush lift up heavy weights or do fast reps with bad postures. Also, proper form protects your joints and builds real strength. Tip 3. Drink water. Your muscles and brain work better when you're hydrated. Keep your water bottle nearby and sip regularly during workout.
Tip 4. Listen to your body. Feeling dizzy, too sore, or in pain? Stop and rest. Pushing too hard may lead to injury. Rest days are part of progress.
Tip 5. Wear proper shoes and ears. Running in shoes? No. The right shoes gives you support, prevents slips, and protect your feet, especially your arches and heels.
Tip 6. Clear your space. Exercise in a safe space. Remove clutter and give yourself a room to move. Tripping over a chair while doing burpees? Not cool. A clean space, a safe space.
Tip 7. Don't skip rest and recovery. Muscles grow when you sleep, not just when you work out. Stretch, take rest days, and get enough sleep so your body stays strong and free injury.
All I think this time, remember this. Working out isn't just about getting stronger, faster, or fitter. It's about taking care of your body the smartest way.
By warming up, using proper form, staying hydrated, listening to your body, keeping your space safe, and giving yourself a time to rest.